High fly ball hit deep into left. That ball's got a chance. Gone. Home run for Logan Forsythe, number 13, and the Rays take an early 2-0 lead. Fly ball into left center field, well tagged, and that ball is going to get out of here. A 1-2 pitch, and Mikie Mahtook hits it out. Rays again up by 2. It's a 3-1 ball game. Asdrubal Cabrera will begin the 7th. High fly ball, deep right field. Garcia back, and that one's gone. Over the bullpen for Asdrubal Cabrera, his 7th home run. Up from AAA Durham last night to make his major league debut. It's a high fly ball. That's deep to right. Garcia goes back and leaps. That one is gone. Home run for Richie Shaffer. His first major league hit. A home run into the bullpen. He goes back to back with Cabrera. And the Shaffer family celebrates tonight.